Hi friends, my name is Harshada Kishore Valle. I have completed BE NTC in Keystone Schools of Engineering through Pune University in 2021. Today's date it is in 27th December 2021. Today's Viva topic it is in wrapper classes. Wrapper classes is the one more parts of an object-oriented programming language in Java. The wrapper classes means of an the wrapper classes is the mechanisms of an primitive data types is converted into the open objects, or the objects is converted to open primitive data types is known as an wrapper classes, and it is the mechanisms of an wrapper classes. The wrapper classes is the one more features upon auto boxing and the unboxing. And this auto boxing and the unboxing is the upon declares upon J2SC, means upon Java version 5 is the upon declares upon auto boxing and the unboxing. Auto boxing and the unboxing means upon the automatic convergence upon primitive data types into the upon objects, or the objects into the upon primitive data types is the upon automatic is the upon auto boxing and the unboxing. And the auto boxing means upon primitive data types into the open objects, and or the objects into the open primitive data types is known as an auto boxing. After that, the example of an wrapper classes. The wrapper classes is the open primitive data types converts into the open objects, and the aids of the open primitive data types like open integers, strings, float, double a, boolean, characters is the open 8 of the open data types, and is convert into the open objects. So it is the open examples open wrapper classes like open int is convergence into the integers, char is convergence into the characters, boolean is convergence into the open booleans. But it is wrapper classes open it is in an startings of the open characters is the open alphabets. After that, why use of the pen of wrapper classes? The wrapper classes uses because of an easily converge of the pen easily convergence of pen data types into the pen objects. So it is use of the pen of wrapper classes. What is meant by the wrapper classes in Java? The wrapper classes is the utility of the packages so it is the wrapper classes in Java. And these 8 types of the wrapper classes like integers, double a, strings, boolean, character of doubles, it is the floats is the 8 of the data types in an wrapper classes. After that, the auto boxing and the unboxing. First of all, auto boxing. The auto boxing means upon the automatic convergence upon primitive data types into the upon objects is called as an auto boxing. And this auto boxing like open integer, say char to open a character, say boolean to open a boolean, float to open a float, a double to open a double, say this is the example of an auto boxing. Second one, it is in an unboxing. Unboxing means automatic convergence of primitive types into the data types is known as an unboxing, and it is the reverse process of an auto boxing, and this is the auto boxing and the unboxing. After that, the applications. The first one, it is the wrapper classes. Wrapper classes is use of the strings, and this strings is converts into the data types. And the wrapper classes is the primitive data types is simple data types is converted into the objects, and this simple data types converts into the objects is the use of the constructors. and this is the uses of an this is the applications of an wrapper classes. After that, the uses of an wrapper classes. The Java is the object-oriented programming language, and the many times open Java deals with it is in an collection deals with open objects. And this open objects with it is like open a collection framework synchronization serialization and this is the open uses of an wrapper classes. The first use of the wrapper classes is the change by the values. Change by value methods. The wrapper the Java only supports of the call by values. But primitive data it is can convergence upon objects, and these objects upon original values upon do not change upon original values, but wrapper classes is the mechanisms upon primitive data type is convergence into the upon objects. So it is the convergence upon object change of the upon objects values. So it is the first use of the change by a value of a method. Second one, applications it is in an synchronization. The synchronizations is the deals with open objects, and it is in an works of it is the works of the open like open multi-threading. Third one, it is in a Java open a util open a packages. The Java is the many times deals with Java is the many times deals with open objects, and this open deals with it is in a utility of the open packages or classes of an objects, and this is the third use. And the fourth one uses it is in a collections open frameworks. The many times Java deals with open objects of the open collections like voice open array list, linked list, array list, linked list, tree list is the open Java collections open frameworks, and this is the open wrapper classes uses. This is the open wrapper classes. That's all. Thank you.